Hello everyone. Happy October 27th. Today we celebrate Navy pride, beer, and the joy of American stories. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. You missed it? Wait. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's Navy Day. A proud celebration of service, strength, and maritime tradition. A great gift could be a Navy-themed hoodie, a donation to a veterans organization, or a framed quote about courage. Know someone in the Navy? Let's honor them in the comments. Next, it's American Beer Day, a bubbly tribute to local brews and craft creations. A sweet gift could be a beer tasting flight, a home brewing kit, or a set of pint glasses with flair. What's your favorite beer style? Let's raise a glass below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Tell a Story Day in the UK, a cozy celebration of imagination, memory, and connection. A thoughtful gift could be a storytelling card deck, a personalized journal, or a book of short tales. What's a story you love to tell? Let's share it in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for November 26th to 30th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.